Hi dear students, welcome to business studies class. From last video we are started our third chapter, that is business environment. In last video we are going to see about what are the features, or you can call the characteristics of business environment. In this video I am going to explain the content about importance of business environment. So already we are know what is a business environment means. What are the surrounding to our business? It may be internal factors may be there, it may be external factors may be there. All these surroundings we are going to call as a business environment. So which factors comes under this? Internal means your staff member may be there, otherwise your what are the technology you are going to use for your industry, that thing comes under the internal factors. What are the external factors means your buyers, or you can call customers, suppliers, government, or investors. All these things comes under the external factors. Means by including internal factors and external factors, business environment going to be developed. Okay, so in this video we are going to see about what are the importance of business environment. So here are the headings of that. Just I will read it, and one by one I am going to explain the things. Okay, so first one, it enables to the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Next, it helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signals. Third one, it helps tapping useful resources. Fourth one, it helps in coping with rapid change. For fifth one, it helps in assigning, in planning and policy formulation. And last one, it helps in improving performance. Okay, so what is the first one? It enables to the firm to identify the opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. So what is the meaning of it? Enables means it is a possible to the firm to identify the opportunities. Means what? Early identification of opportunities helps to the business for maximum benefits. Okay, so when you are going for the study of business environment, always you should go for the monitoring of business environment. Otherwise, what are the surrounding of our business, we should always update with the knowledge of it. Okay, so that is a necessary. Why it is necessary? It is necessary to identify the opportunities, and if you got the opportunities, it is a benefit to your business to maximize the profit. Okay, so next one, go much ahead of competitor. If you identify what are the early opportunities rather than your competitor, you can go much ahead of your competitors. Okay, so means you can do good performance rather than your competitors. Okay, so that is the first benefit or importance of business environment. Means keeping update with the knowledge of business environment can help you to identify the opportunities going to be arise in environment. Okay, so next one, it helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signals. Okay, so if the update knowledge of business environment, it helps to the firm to identify threats. Threats means what? The possibility of trouble or dangerous things. Okay, so identify threats and early warning signals. Okay, so keeping updating thing about the environmental business environmental, it is not only going to help to identify the opportunities, always it is going to help to identify the troubles or threats, you can call. Okay, so not only opportunities, as well as we can identify the threats, or what are the problems going to be arise in future, we can identify early only. Okay, so what is going to happen due to that? It helps to manager to identify various threats on time. If you find what are the dangerous things going to be will be happen in future, if you identify initially only, you can able to solve your problem. Otherwise you have time to think about that. Okay, so keeping update knowledge of business environment help you to identify opportunities also, and help you to identify threats also. Means what are the dangerous things going to be arise in future. For both purpose it is going to be helpful. If you identify opportunities, you can maximize the profit. If you identify the what are the troubles or threats going to be happen in future, you can able to solve that problem. Otherwise you are having a solution ready made. Okay, at that time, otherwise you are going to get a time to solve that problem. Okay, so it serves as a early warning signals. Next one, it helps tapping useful resources. What is the meaning of it? Environment is source of resources. Yes, initially I only told environment means what? It is a surrounding, and these are the source of resources for our business. So what are that? Finance. So finance is going to arise from investors. Okay, so investors are environment for our business. Machineries. Okay, next, raw materials. What are the raw materials required for our business? That is going to be arise from business environment only. Okay, what are the power required to run our industry? Okay, so water and staff, or you can call labor or employees, these things are going to be arise from environment only. Okay, next one, it includes finances, government and suppliers. These provide necessary thing for business. Instead of that, they want something. Yes, obviously. Means what? If the business environment is providing you something, okay, means financiers are going to provide you a finance, government also going to provide you finance at some time, and otherwise rules or regulation they are going to give a framework to you. Okay, next, suppliers. So suppliers are going to provide you a raw material. Means what? Otherwise you can take here customers also. Customers are going to provide you a benefit. Okay, means they are going to provide you benefit. Means what you are producing in your industry, they are going to purchase, and that is ultimately benefit for your industry. Okay, so what these are business environments or business environment factors are there? No, they are giving you something. Okay, they are giving you something for your business. Instead of that, they want something from your business. Means what? You can take, so example, so financiers, they are going to give you money or finance for your business. Instead of that, they want interest on that finance from you. Okay, means they are giving something and they want something. So government is also going to give you some finance at sometimes. Okay, so instead of that, what the government want? Instead of that, the government want taxes. Okay, next, customer. What the customer is going to give you? Customer is going to give you a benefit. Okay, okay, otherwise you can call profit. So instead of that, what the customer want? Your product or service. And suppliers give you a raw material, and instead of what they want, what are the price of that raw material they want? Okay, that is the rule of life. Okay, if you are giving something, instead of that, you they want something. Next one, it helps coping with rapid change. So it helps coping with rapid change. Coping means difficult situation. Okay, otherwise situation is a very dangerous. Okay, so business environment is a dynamic. Okay, initially I told business environment is a dynamic, means it is always going to be changed. If it is today is one fashion trend, tomorrow is different one, day after tomorrow another one is there. Means technology is going to develop day by day. Okay, so dynamic, like customer demand is going to also change. Means what is the customer demand? Customer to customer, it is not always same, it is going to be differ. Next, government regulations also, it is going to changes always rapidly. Market process, otherwise market strategy, product price, and is also going to be changes rapidly. So business environment is a dynamic, so manager must examine and take necessary action. Means what? When your business study of business environment, it is going to helpful to you to coping with rapid change. Means at difficult situation, the business environment, it is going to help to the manager to examine and take the necessary action. If the manager is going to keeping the update knowledge about the business environment, that is going to helpful to the manager to solve your business problems. Okay, next one, it helps in assigning, in planning and policy formulation. Okay, so what it means, plans and policy can made by keeping in mind the environmental factors. Okay, so what are the plans are going to be made for your organization or for your industry or for your business, or policies what you are going to making for your industry? You should always keep in mind what are the business environments. Means what? what you are making plans for production. Okay, otherwise you are making policies, otherwise rules regulation for your industry. So when you are going to make, you should make the standard things. Standard means you should keep the reference of business environment. Okay, then only you should go for the planning and policy formulation. Otherwise it is going to be difficult situation in future. So always you should keep the reference of your business environment and go for the plan and go for the policy formulation. Next one, it helps in improving performance. So what is it means? Future of business depends upon the business environment. Yes, obviously, because we are going to take something from environment, means what you are going to produce, you have to reback re means re-give to your environment only. Means what is the future of business environment, it depend what is the future of business, it depend upon the business environment. Okay, so next, controlling of business environment improve the performance of business. If manager can able to identify what is going to be happen in future, by keeping the update knowledge of business environment, we can control the business environment, and due to the controlling process we can improve the business efficiency. So that is the last importance of business environments, means it helps in improving performance. Okay, so if you have any doubt, ask below. Thank you. Bye bye, take care.